Hi everybody, happy Thursday. Hope you're doing well. Dr. Brandon Bupp here at Advanced Health and Wellness Center. So just wanted to come back with you, kind of follow up to what Leah and I went over yesterday. IFM put out this report or this paper on how to boost your immune system and how to functional medicine tips on preventing and optimizing immune function during this virus. And really, it's not during this virus, it's during anything. First thing I want to say is this document is only intended to identify modalities that may boost your immune system. It's not meant to recommend any treatments, nor have these modalities been proven against coronavirus. So always consult your physician, all those things. That's the compliance part of this video. So there are some really awesome references on here, but I just want to go through it with you again. A lot of this stuff is things that you may or may not have heard. We did our first testing today on the antibody test. Again, I want to just kind of mention again, if you're looking at wanting to get the antibody test done, somebody told me they could get the test for like $50 or something. It has to be a validated, or you want it to be a validated test. That's really important. And so, anyway, we just did our first test today. We had 10 tests done. We sent them out. We'll see how that goes. We are ordering more, so there's some people that we're going to be reaching out to who have expressed interest. So we will get with you kind of on a second string of this. We're going to get some orders done today. So on this paper here, really good. So it talks about some different levels of things to do. So things that you can do behaviorally. So hand washing, hand sanitizing, covering your mouth and your nose, not touching your face, and keeping surfaces clean. Lifestyle, stress. These are the big ones that y'all can try to do, consider on your own to help boost your immune system. Stress reduction. That we know that's a big one. I'm going to do more on that tomorrow. Sleep. Sleep has a significant influence, and there's studies that back that up. Exercise, moderate exercise, regular physical activity boosts immune system function by raising levels of infection-fighting white blood cells and antibodies, increasing circulation and decreasing stress hormones. Hopefully you heard that. That's exercise. Hopefully these fitness centers can keep their social distancing and cleaning and being able to get open. Being able to get open May 1st because people are missing out on that. And then nutritious foods and diet, as well as supplements. So I wanted to talk about that. And there are supplements that they have suggested. Vitamin C Vitamin C may help prevent infections, including those caused by bacteria and viruses. It has a natural antihistamine and anti-inflammatory. So again, remember, all of the discussion around this COVID-19 virus has to do with inflammation in the lungs. And how do we stop or inhibit or reduce that inflammation? And the way we know we have inflammation is testing IL-6 and IL-1 beta, which we have a test that we do that does that if you're interested. We want to know what your inflammation levels are before this infection hits, and then these are things that you would be able to do to help make a difference. Vitamin D, so number one, get out in the sun, but there are tons and tons and tons of studies saying that we need vitamin D to ratchet up the immune response to handle the infection so that we don't keep it, right? We've got to handle it, get rid of it, and then move on. But without adequate vitamin D levels, we never mount a proper immune response. Vitamin A for short-term use is very good with these kinds of things. Zinc, we know for sure that zinc is something that's important. It's been shown. Selenium, another big one. Honey, they actually talk about honey as it relieves minor pain and inflammation of the mucous membranes. Super important. Garlic are things that have compounds containing garlic, and obviously probiotics. One concern for us is that we're hurting our good gut bacteria, our probiotic, our natural gut microbiome. And so we want to do everything that we can to be taking care of that. taking a probiotic, but also eating foods that naturally contain probiotics, sauerkraut, kombucha, fermented foods, things like that, super important. And yeah, just having a healthy lifestyle. So hopefully you can use this guide. I posted it here. Very beneficial. Again, we can't just sit back, wait to get an infection and hope that we survive it, or sit back and hope that we're going to avoid it. I don't think that's gonna last for very long. You know, they're talking about, will it come back? Will it not come back? We don't know. If we open up these states, is there gonna be a spike in infections? We don't know. But what we do know, the truth is the truth, and it's always been the truth. The healthier the person, the better their chance is at fighting this infection. So use these things to try to boost your health and boost your immunity. And that's it. If you have questions, please let us know. Again, if you are interested in the testing, please send us a direct message and we'll get back to you with the details. Otherwise, hope you all have a great day. Stay healthy, work on your health, and hopefully we'll get some sunshine to enjoy. Talk to you soon.